And this is my main man, Michael Jordan. And this is a pair of tight Air Jordans from Nike. This is something you can buy.
And buy they did. Yes, bought them up.
Something missing out there, Joker.
Yo, the day is finally here. Been too long. FedEx be taking too long with the packages, man. I don't know what's going on, man. Look how they did your boy. It's like, nah. But it was basically like this, because this joint kind of, you see how it just fold in? So you know it's like, it's moist right there. That's moisture. So basically all I did was just like pick the joint up and it just opened up, boom. I was like, okay. But yeah, here go the first look. Y'all see what that says. So y'all already know what time it is, man. If you don't, then you just don't know, baby. Okay. And my receipt just hit the flow from Hibbett. Shout out to Hibbett's, man. Y'all always get me together on the delivery option. So now we gotta complete the set, man. So let's get into this. My first look at these jokers, man. Just unboxed, took the thing off, pause. We're gonna put that over there. If it stay, okay. All right. Let's see. What we got right here? Okay. Yeah, you can feel the paint splatter. They say you can feel it, pause, on these joints. Yeah, you can. They got a little messy on mine right there. They got a little bit right there, but it's cool. But now we got the set complete. The Nike Air on the back, the Air Jordan 4 white cement. Shout out to my man, the Vintage. He always say Air Jordan. That's not even funny when he be saying Air Jordan, the Air Jordan. But shout out to Vintage, man. But yeah, man, we got them speckles on the Nike Air. Well, not speckles, it's really the paint splash like they did on the 1989s. Yeah, check out the 1989s, man. But yeah, man, they got these down pat. The toe box shape is good. You got that slope, like the 89. Yeah, check out that slope on them 89s, man. Let's check out the other one. I gotta put this one in place for the lineup. For the suspect lineup, okay. No creases on them. This is my first look and y'all first look at them, so hey, everybody batch be different, you know what I'm saying? Something, a little something right there. Probably a glue stain or something, I get that off. Almost came on now, but let's not get distracted. Nike Air on there with the paint splatter. Nike at the bottom. Got a little something right there. But yeah, paint strokes is nice on this one. This one is cleaner. It's not nothing. It's a little glue stain right there. That's nothing new. But yeah, got the shape. Boom. This one, the shape seemed a little bit better. The toe box seemed a little bit better. But yeah, man. The guys are here. This is what it's, hey, these joints looking sicko mode. I like these joints right here. Now we can complete the lineup. We got your 5 reds from these kind of got a nice little shape to them. From the 2020 release. I wear my shoes, you know what I'm saying? The Nike Air. Then you got your military blues. These dropped last year. They got the shape. Nike Air hang tag. Then of course, I think this was sneaker of the year last year, man. The Breds 4s reimagined with the slope. The nice tongue. The back tab was nice and smooth. Oh, this one got something on it too. That come off though. Yeah, this is a DS pair right here, as you can see. Still have my DS pair, and I got a pair I rock on the regular, which I've actually turned into my beaters. I got another pair of these. They my beaters. But yeah, leather is immaculate on these joints. I like these joints right here. It's like that. Got to bring these out probably next year around Christmas time or something. But yeah, then we got these babies, man. Woo! This was just a nice rollout for the Jordan 4. I'm gonna flip them around for y'all, B. So yeah, all the OG colorways, man. The Air Jordan, like the Air Jordan 4 though. These is crazy, baby. Just that paint splatter on these is just like that. Gotta cut that thread off right there. Oh yeah, these is like that. These came with the little cardboard. These got the shoe paper in it. These came with, I think, shoe paper in these too. Then, of course, you get the shoe paper in your new ones. Let's see what the company is. I mean, not the company, the warehouse, LN2M on these. Production dates right there, October to November 2024. And this is a 14 Nike Air. Then they got the red with the black Nike Air on the Breds. The black with the red Nike Air on the white cements. Blue with the white Nike Air on the militaries. And then on the fire reds and the white cements got the same insole. And they both put the little joint above the Nike Air, the sizing sticker. So, because on these two, they put it underneath Nike Air. This one, they put it above, and this one, it's above, even though it's a little crooked. But yeah, man, I ain't even take out the hang tag on these joints. I messed up the front picture, man. I'm supposed to have all the hang tags hanging. That's why they the hang tag. But yeah, man, I'll flip them back around real quick. Just like that, we back with all shoes getting their own little space. But yeah, man, they got the Nike Airs, the hang tags. Just, woo. These babies look beautiful beside each other, man. This is just, it's fantastic, man. But yeah, I hope y'all was able to cop. Hopefully y'all got all the OGs and y'all got the 2019 of this one, which I didn't get because I wasn't back in the shoe game until like 2021, the end of 2021. So yeah, when the cool grades came out. So yeah, but I actually prefer this, as a lot of people do, because you can wear these in the rain, just wipe it off. They get a little dusty, just wipe them off. And then, of course, all the other ones had leather also. It's like different leather on all of them. Yeah, this one feels more like the military blues, but the military blues, I don't know. But they feel smooth. But the leather on the, as you can see that tumbleness, when I pressed these, the fire reds just had that good, nice, soft, genuine feeling synthetic leather, like, yeah. But all the hang tags, this one's actually pretty flimsy too. It's not stiff hose. And this one's a little more flimsy. This one's a little flimsy like that one. Yeah, they are actually pretty flimsy, so that's cool. I mess with it. But yeah, man, hopefully y'all got all these so y'all can complete your Air Jordan 4 OG set. And yeah, man, we out. Peace.